Well, a huge sense of anticipation ahead of the arrival of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We are in Wilmington in Delaware. The Prime Minister will be here in a couple of hours from now. It's a very, very important day. There'll be the Quad Summit. Preceding that will be a meeting with President Biden as well. That's just the beginning of what should be a very busy couple of days. Now, Pooja, I'm going to ask you to flip your camera around as you see some very colorful ladies over here from the Indian community getting ready to greet Prime Minister Modi as well. You're all over here waiting to greet the Prime Minister?
Yes. Yeah, thank you. Yep.
What is your name?
Janki Patel.
Sorry?
Janki Patel.
Janki, and how about you?
Tasha Patel.
And you?
Raksa Patel.
And so all of you are looking forward to meeting the Prime Minister, right?
Of course, yeah, we're all very excited.
And do you live over here? Have you come from far? Or?
No, we live in Newark, Delaware.
And what are your expectations of this visit?
Just a very high-profile visit. We're just looking forward and welcome PM Modi to our town.
How about you? What do you expect of this?
Yeah, we are very excited to meet him.
I'm also excited to welcome him.
तो मैं आप लोगों से हिंदी में भी पूछ सकता हूँ? हाँ, और आप लोग यहीं रहते हैं या और कहीं से आ चुके हैं?
नहीं, हम यहीं रहते हैं, न्यूयॉर्क डेलावेयर में रहते हैं.
और आपका एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या है, मतलब आपका क्या उम्मीद है कि इस विजिट में प्रधानमंत्री क्या कर पाएंगे, कुछ एग्रीमेंट्स होंगे, आपका एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या है?
अभी तो वेरी एक्साइटेड है उनसे मिलने के लिए और देखते हैं whatever he decide after meeting.
तो आप लोग मतलब यहाँ उनसे मिलेंगे, कोई छोटा सा प्रोग्राम होंगे, यहाँ कई और लोकल इंडियंस भी होंगे?
ये लोकल सम इंडियंस होंगे, पता नहीं कौन होंगे. It'll be surprise.
Do you expect a large number of people over here?
We do. We have a group of about 23 people here performing for him, and I'm sure all the ladies are very excited, looking forward to welcoming him.
And what are you performing?
I'm doing traditional Garba performance for him.
तो आपका ये गरबा परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में बताएंगे, आप कितने दिन से आप लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं?
पूरे वीक से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं हम.
So that must have been a lot of fun.
Yes, it is.
Tell us about just the practice, the getting together. How did that work?
It's going good. Everybody going work and just join together to have a practice after work.
और आप सब प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, काम कर रहे हैं कहीं?
So I'm a banker. I work for JP Morgan. It's a very large bank here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Great. And how about you?
I'm self-employed.
You're self-employed?
Yes.
I'm a work in Department of Correction.
You're in the work of Department of Corrections. Fantastic. Well, it's wonderful speaking to you and getting that opportunity. Thanks very much. So, Pooja, I'm just going to come over here. We've got three others who are with us as well. Namaskar. Thank you very much for agreeing to speak to us. I know I've sort of grabbed all of you. You were busy. Yeah. But can you just introduce yourself, sir?
Praveen Patel.
And how about you?
I'm Sagar Patel. I'm Shalin Choksi.
All right. So, Mr. Patel, मैं पहले आपसे पूछता हूँ, आपका क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है? प्रधानमंत्री मोदी यूएस में काफ़ी बार आ चुके हैं और काफ़ी सफल यात्रा उनका रह चुकी है पहले. इस यात्रा के बारे में बताएंगे, आपका क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है?
I have no expectation.
Oh no, why not?
I'm here. We are here to greet him.
Tell us about how you're going to be.
So, expectation-wise, I don't know, we know about any agenda for the Quad meeting, but the thing is, since it has been a great partnership for last 10 years since Narendra Modi became Prime Minister, so it will be 2024 is almost 10 years, so they're probably planning something like a big, and it should be positive towards both nations. So, but agenda-wise, we don't know what could be done.
I'm going to keep you holding for a moment. Pooja, walk with me this direction because we've got all the Garba dancers over here getting ready. All of you are looking absolutely fantastic. We spoke to a few of your colleagues. Can we just ask you to sort of be here for our camera? और हम NDTV से हमारे साथ कौन बात करेंगे? कुछ सवाल थे, आप बताएंगे, आप कितने दिन के लिए प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं यहाँ?
Oh my God, it's just a week, nothing more than that, but it's super exciting.
So it's going to be Garba, and you and all of you are looking absolutely fantastic over here. And any expectations? What do you want? I mean, is it just the idea of getting a chance to see the Prime Minister that's the big attraction at this stage?
It's the emotion, on what he does for our country. It's phenomenal,
इस इमोशन के बारे में कोई कुछ बताएंगे? मतलब यहाँ होने के लिए इस वक्त प्रधानमंत्री कुछ ही घंटों में आएंगे?
इसी कंट्री में, अमेरिका जैसी कंट्री में आके हम सब अपना इंडियन कल्चर को इतना रख रहे हैं, so that is the important thing.
Yeah, we are so excited to see him.
It's our pleasure to see him and meet him personally.
So this is going to be a fun day, a fun occasion for all of you. Right. Anybody else wants to say anything else ahead of this visit? It's going to be a very busy visit. A lot of work gets done as well. All of you are proud representatives of the Indian community. Huh? It's a super proud day for you.
Yes. Yeah, we are lucky to perform something in front of Sir, Narendra Modi, and it's
Really excited.
yeah, it's
Yes,
a
it's
biggest
really, really
opportunity in
excited.
life. It's
Yes.
once in a lifetime opportunity.
We can't wait
I'm
to see
excited
him.
for it,
Yes.
And we were told that he's going to be like not even a foot, away from us. I was like having goosebumps.
All right. Well, there you have it. Pooja, you've got wonderfully dressed, outfitted group of NRIs, non-resident Indians waiting over here. They'll be performing the Garba. They've been practicing for about a week. They've had great fun doing it. Looking forward for the opportunity of meeting the Prime Minister and perhaps having or sharing just a few words with him. So there you have it, a broad look at the excitement over here just ahead of the arrival of the Prime Minister. It's still a few hours away. In Delaware, with camera person Pooja Arya, Vishnu Shom for NDTV.